let's remove this one. So when you click on get font, so you are going to come here to say get embedded code. Okay, get embedded code. So this is the code here. Okay, so you can just click on copy code. Okay, when you code copy or you copy the code, then you come to your head, inside your head here. Okay, just below this one, you can put it just below your your meta tag, or maybe below your title. Just make sure it is inside your head. Okay, preferably, since we are using internal styling, preferably let it come before your style tag. Okay, so let's just put it here and just paste it here. Okay, so we have pasted it here. So then what we do is that we'll come to our P. Okay, then we'll say font family. Okay, is mono signature. Okay, then we'll save it. By the time we come back to our browser, okay, let's, is it correct? Is it mono or momo? Momo. So then we save it and let's see. Okay, good. So now we have it. We have this font now. Okay, so momo signature, and we have the font changed. Okay, so let's say we want to use another font now, and we'll try to come back here. Okay, let's say we try to come back. Let's go back. Okay, good. So let's say we want to use another font. Let's say another nice font we can use. Okay, let's use this Oswald. Okay, so let's click on it. Okay, so by the time we click on it, we want to say get font. Okay, we click on get font. Okay, remember we want to use Oswald, so let's just delete this one we just recently used. Okay, so this Oswald now, let us just click on get embedded code. Okay, just to save space, I'll just copy this last one, this third one. Okay, I'll just copy it and I'll come to our code here. So then I'll just come right above the style, I'll just paste it here. Okay, I'll just paste it here. So then I can decide to change this from momo signature to what's the name of this, Oswald, to Oswald, and then I will save it. So by the time I come back to my browser, so we have the Oswald font here already. Okay, so your Google font will come inside your head. Okay, so you now call out a particular font name or family name inside your CSS or your styling. Okay, to be able to make it reflect, okay, on your page. Okay, so these are a few things we can do with inside the head. Okay, there are much you can do inside there, but at least for this level, these are things that will be very much needful for you or important for you in your practice. Okay, so do well to practice this. Okay, try using your Google fonts. Okay, try creating an icon. Okay, use your title, use your metal tag. Okay, and see what you are able to do with it. So don't forget to like, comment, and share. I'll see you in the next video.